Today's show is brought to you by Alta Vista Retirement Community, the pinnacle of retirement living. By Cliff Castle Casino Hotel, always friendly, always fun.
In the studio right now, Amy Hallman. She is with Desert Drug Dog, private drug detection for your home, school, or business. You are the owner and handler for a Desert Drug Dog, Dargo. Do you have just the one dog?
I have one dog so far.
Okay, so Desert Drug Dog is the name of the company.
Right,
or
exactly.
What you work under.
Yes.
Okay, and Dargo sniffs out drugs. He also roams around a little bit in the studio, but that's okay. Let's talk about, just briefly, and then Dargo's going to give us a demonstration. He's going to sniff out some...
Looks like he's raring to go.
No drugs in the studio, but something that smells like drugs, just to calm everybody's fear. He also has his own group therapy sessions. I know you want to touch on that before.
He does. He has recently begun work at Aurora Behavioral Health System, which they have two level 1 psychiatric hospitals in the Valley. We work at the one in Glendale. And 2 days a week, we conduct group therapy as part of the adjunctive therapy program they have, and we're getting phenomenal results.
What exactly does Dargo do at those therapy sessions?
Dargo makes people who are clinically depressed laugh out loud, and we have adolescents, we have adults, people in detox, and they brush him, they play ball with him.
Oh, how nice.
They lay on the floor and talk to him, and it's very inspiring, very inspiring.
Now, what have you done for the demonstration? You have planted something?
Yes, and you owe me, Lou, because I didn't let them plant it in your chair.
So it's not on me.
It's not on you.
I think that was last time.
Fears.
Last time you had it on me, I believe.
So the routine is, Dargo wears a special collar when he works. No matter which job he goes to, this is the work collar.
Why is that?
It's just a psychological kind of a way to ramp up your canine. So in other words, if you were going to get some soldiers to go out in the field and get tough, you'd ramp them up first. You'd kind of get them excited. So it's the same concept.
So like he's putting on his armor right now.
Yeah, exactly.
Good. Yeah. Okay.
So then my commands are in another language. So if you don't understand what I'm saying, just, bear with me.
And we will not be talking to Amy as this is going on. She's going to be talking to Dargo, but no questions will be coming from us because that will distract the process, I understand.
Right.
Okay, so just
distracts
walk
both
us.
of us.
It's yours.
So what
right
we
now.
do is I'll ask him if he wants to go to work, and we'll get this collar on him, and then I will give him the command, and he should start circling the room. It's a little bit different than most of the jobs we do, but and then if he detects the odor, he will sit at the source, which is one of the reasons he's so good for a business or a home application, because he doesn't dig at anything. He never barks, and
he just sits down.
He just sits
Well,
down.
I think that's a good point that you just made before you get into demonstration. Dargo can go in any business, any home, any situation where someone believes there's a drug issue.
That's right.
Okay.
Or where they want to deter drug possession and use, such as a factory.
Amy, it's yours.
See this? You can go to work. Come here. Hey, wait for me. You can go to work. Come on. That's right. Good boy. Are you ready? Are you ready? Look what I got. Look what I got. You ready? Let's go over here. You ready? Dargo, sook. Good boy. Good boy. Good dog. That's right. Good boy. Good boy. Sook, Dargo. That's right. Good dog. Good boy. That's right. Good boy. Soya. Boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, yes. Right here is our heroine.
Wow.
Good boy.
Great.
That was awesome, dude.
Goodness.
Give me a big hug.
Yeah.
Come here, give me a big hug. Dargo, come here. He we do a little touchdown dance, and so that's why.
Oh.
Come here, Dargo. Come here. Give you a big hug.
Now it's
here.
interesting, Amy, because he was all over this studio. Again, it's not a very large place, but he could travel, as you mentioned before, even through a factory.
Oh yeah.
The size of a factory.
We have one account. It's a 100,000 square foot factory / warehouse. We also do the office space, which I would guess is about maybe 2,000-3,000 feet and square feet.
But what type of drugs can he detect?
He detects just about anything illegal. Okay.
Really?
So
Yeah.
marijuana, cocaine, heroin.
Now this
Meth.
is similar to what dogs do on the border patrol
Yeah,
dogs
it is.
who sniff
Hey,
for drugs.
Are you done?
He gets excited.
He's
He gets
excited.
excited, doesn't he?
He's pretty proud.
He knows he's done it, doesn't he?
He does. He gets a little bit cocky.
Yeah.
Just like show off that ball that I gave him.
Of course.
And then he'll probably find a place to lay down and chew on that for a while. That
Now,
makes
he's a
him
German
happy.
Shepherd, correct?
No, he is a Belgian Malinois.
Okay.
And they are almost exclusively used as working dogs. I mean, people do have them as pets. They're extremely lovable and loyal.
Well, the reason I was asking that is because when you talk to police departments and a business like yours, many of them do use a German Shepherd, and I'm wondering, is a German Shepherd a smarter dog than others?
Do some breeds make better for drug sniffing?
Yeah, some breeds are more antsy to get to work. I guess that's the best way I
interesting you
can
put it that way.
When I found this dog, someone told me, these are working dogs. If you don't give them a job, they will find a job to do, and you may not like what they found.
Now, how do people find you, and who should find you?
Well, businesses, schools, homes, private homes. We do a lot of private homes. It's not always the kids. Sometimes it's a spouse who has perhaps gone into treatment, and dad's still at home with the kids and wants to make sure there's nothing dangerous for the children to get at. Okay. Our business accounts sometimes do and sometimes don't like to put a sign in their window that says these premises are monitored by Desert Drug Dog. We have a school that likes these signs. We've also been working with a lot of addiction recovery centers.
Okay.
And
they find you at
desertdrugdog.com.
Amy, thanks for coming back.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you, Dargo. Terrific demonstration.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Tanya and I will return with some parting comments, but first we want to remind you at 11 a.m. comes True Hollywood Stories, the Kardashians, now, Tanya.
Yes, Kim just recently received a $2 million engagement ring. My thought on that, I'm sure everybody knows my thought on that. Maybe $500,000, do something else with $150,000 or $500,000 or whatever. You know what? Let's just look at them at 11 o'clock.